Hello friends! Today I'm going to show you an amazing tool for Blender that instantly speeds up your lighting workflow. This is my EasyLight add-on. So let's start with the installation. Open Blender and go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, Install. Select the file easylight.zip. After installation, the EasyLight add-on will appear in the list. Just check the box and you're ready to go. Now, in the right-hand end panel under the EasyLight tab, you'll find the Lighting Control panel. Let's take a look at what EasyLight can do. At the top of the panel, you can choose the type of light you want to create: point, spot, sun, or area. Click Create Light, and the add-on automatically creates a special empty object called Light Target, adds a light source, places it in the scene in a perfectly calculated position, and immediately aims it at the target. But the coolest part is this: the add-on generates a complete 3-point lighting setup. The first light is key, the second is rim, and the third is fill. Each one is positioned exactly where it needs to be, automatically. And if you create a fourth light, it simply adds an extra light of the selected type. Below, you'll find intensity sliders. You can control the power of the key, rim, and fill lights with a single smooth adjustment. No manual tweaking, no chaos, just pure convenience. You can download the script using the links below.